How to pair wireless headphones and earphones to your phone or computer. Whether you are new to the world of wireless audio or looking to pick up a few tricks here, how to connect your Bluetooth headphone and earphones to your phone and other devices. Table of contents. Wired headphones have made a comeback among the cool kids in recent years. Some of us prefer not to get tangled up in cords, and phone makers have largely dumped the headphone jack on their flagship models, making it necessary to invest in wireless headphones. But is where free audio only suited for tech savvy people, or can anyone pick up a pair of Bluetooth headphones and start enjoying some tones? The good news for newcomer is that setup is easy. Typically, all you need to do is connect them to device such as phone or computer, and you are good to go. But even experienced listeners can learn a thing or two about pairing Bluetooth headphones. Here a rundown for getting connected across operating system. How to connect headphones via Bluetooth. While the actual button you press and for how long can vary depending on the headphones, the pairing process usually works the same way. 1. Turn on Bluetooth. First, enable Bluetooth in your device setting menu on a phone. That means pulling down from the top of the screen to open Android quick setting menu or iPhone control center. Make sure the Bluetooth icon is enabled here. In Windows 10, open setting into devices into Bluetooth and other devices and make sure the Bluetooth switch is enabled. On Windows 11, open setting into Bluetooth and devices and enable Bluetooth on a Mac. Go to system setting and to Bluetooth and enable the Bluetooth option. Second, enter pairing mode. You can now put your headphones or earphones in pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button on the headset. If you are not sure which button that is, your manual will tell you. Sometimes it is a dedicated button, other times it is the power button. Once you hold down the pairing button for a long enough time, usually a few seconds, the LED on the headphone should blink to indicate they are ready to pair with your phone or computer. Some headphones automatically go into pairing mode when powered up. If you have true wireless earbuds such as Apple AirPods or anything that comes in a small charging case, you can typically enter pairing mode simply by opening the case and removing the buds. Some sets also have a pairing button for good measure. Third, select your headphones. Now go back to the Bluetooth setting screen on your device. On a phone, hold down the Bluetooth button. You should see the name of your headphones among a list of other nearby devices. Select the entry and you should be paired within seconds. If you have an iPhone headphones equipped with Apple W series or S series chip like AirPods or Beats, are even easier to pair. You don't even have to open the Bluetooth menu. On on screen notification appears when the earphones are close to your phone and they pair almost instantly. Check out our guide for the full instructions. The process for adding your AirPods will differ if you are connecting them to a Mac or Windows PC. In Windows 10, tap Add Bluetooth or other devices and choose Bluetooth from the menu. In Windows 11, select the network, sound or battery icon in the taskbar and open Manage Bluetooth Devices into Bluetooth. Find the headphone in the menu and click Connect. On a Mac, open System Setting into Bluetooth and click Connect next to the atom.